Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to ride a wall in Mario Kart World. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got Mario Kart World and you're wondering how to ride the walls. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But essentially what's going to happen is that you want to hold A and R at the same time, and you're going to see that like your car starts to plant onto the floor. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and press it now. So go ahead and accelerate and press R. So you can see now that I think you have to be on an actual terrain. So if you go ahead and press it again, you can see I start to charge up, change different colors. And then once you go ahead and release this, when you're next to a wall, you are going to ride a wall. So let me go ahead and go next to a wall. You want to make sure that you're on the terrain, hopefully. And then there you have it. You'll actually go ahead and ride the wall. But let me go ahead and give you another example again. So if we go ahead and plant ourselves again, you'll see that we ride the wall. So it's almost like your car starts to flatten, and you do need to make sure that you're on terrain. And then once you go next to a wall, so let's go ahead and try it again. It'll allow you to ride that wall. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and ride the wall in Mario Kart World. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.